Don't worry, any mistake is a wonderful revenue for you. So I told myself and I told my young people before 20 years old, be a good student. When to do entrepreneur, just run some experience. Before 30 years old, follow somebody, go to small company. Normally in a big company it is good to learn processing. You are part of a big machine. But when you go to small company, you learn the passion, you learn the dream, you learn how to do a lot of things at one time. So before 30 years old is not which company you go, but which boss you follow. It's very important. A good boss teacher you differently from 30 to 40 years old. You have to think very clearly when you are working for yourself. If you really want to be entrepreneur when you are 40 to 50 years old, when you have to do all the things that you are good at, don't try to jump in the news area. It's too late. You might be successful, but the art of diving is too big. So 40 to 50 about it. How to focus in things that you are good at. But when you are 50 to 60 years old, work for the young people, because young people can do better than you. So really on the team. Invest on the team, making sure they are. So when you are over 60 years old, spend time for yourself. On the beach, sunshine is too late for your change. Normally, this is my advice to the young people 25 years old make enough mistake. Don't worry, you fail, you stand up, you fail, you stand up. 20 years old, enjoy the show. I regret a lot of things. I regret that I should never meet the media. I regret that I should never speak in the public so that I caught my privacy. I regret that I'm working so hard. I spend too little time with my family. I regret that if I had another life and I would never to think like this. And my wife said, you cannot belong to me, you belong to the Alibaba. And you know life is so short. It's all about experience. People see different view. Some people think you are rich, you are successful, maybe not. Some people say this guy does not have money, is a terrible guy. Maybe not so. Everybody should their own life. I cry never short both. Had a we had a lot of trouble that people never talk, because running for 34,000 young people operate a company for more than 500 million people. 500 million people. 1% of them they are bad guy. You got 5 million people bad guy. Not, but it's too late to regret. Think about I have another 10 or 20 years got 20 years old to go. So enjoy the show, enjoy the ride, enjoy the scene. Jangan khawatir jika kita membuat kesalahan, karena kita tetap bisa memperbaiki kesalahan itu. Ketika kita jatuh, maka kita harus bangkit lagi. Dan untuk menggapai kesuksesan, itu banyak tahapan-tahapannya, banyak rintangan-rintangannya, banyak sekali cobaan yang kita hadapi. Dan untuk mencapai kesuksesan itu tidak secara instan, tidak seperti membolak-balikan telapak tangan. Saya memberitahu kepada diri saya sendiri dan kepada anak muda sebelum menginjak umur 20 tahun, jadilah murid yang baik dan tahu kapan kita harus berwirausaha. Thank you. Emang gak bisa bahasa Inggris anaknya, Pak, maafin.